Hello. Shrimp is back with another video. Today we will be replacing. Oh, you can't even see that. We'll be replacing my power switch window, or power window switch. So the problem is it's kind of broken. I'll show you. You can see a little hole there, but it's not like every other power switch window or power switch. As you can see, it does not come back up, does not go back down. The spring is broken. Let me show you what happens when the car is on. It opens by itself and it goes down by itself, but if it holds up, that happens. There's no real way to bring it back down or up or have it sit unless you really have it sit flush like that. And then now I should be able to control it using my other side, that side over there. So check this out. Let's see if it works. It won't go back up, so that means it's 2 down. So I have to sort of mess with it a little bit more. That should be good. And today we'll be fixing that. Let me show you how. So what I did was I grabbed it from the junkyard. Now this is the whole piece. This is the whole plastic piece, but the actual switch is just this piece right here with the blue like connector, right? That's all you need. It's held down by 4 bolts, but you guys know Shrimp. Shrimp is very lazy. So what Shrimp is gonna do is he's gonna use you can use whatever you want. You can use like a pry bar, whatnot. Let me see if I could angle this. Okay. Oh, that's like a perfect view. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use pry bar. You can use a flathead. Shrimp is actually going to be using something called a box cutter. Some people like to use other terms like pocket knife, switchblade, weapon for some people. But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be using this box cutter, multi-purpose tool. Okay. And what you want to do is just kind of pry the side. There should be some clips. I don't remember where the clips are at, so I'm just going to try my best to not mess up anything. Give me 1 second. So what I just did there was I referenced the switch right here, and I forgot there's actually a rivet on the edge. So now you should just be able to get pulled just like such. And kablammies! She is out of the socket, but as you can see, she is connected. Let me get a better angle of this. She is currently connected. That's not a good angle. She's currently connected. Oh, that's not a good angle. She's still connected, so all we gotta do now is unplug it, and then we're gonna plug in the new one, and we'll go from there. And just like that, she's out. And inspecting the wiring and stuff like that, it looks just fine. Let me give you guys a better look on that. As you guys can see, wiring is just fine. It's not torn or nothing. She should be good to just plug in the new one. And hopefully it works. Got it from the junkyard. And now, before we do anything, we are gonna basically test it and make sure it sits, not even sits right. The fact that it just make the window go up and down. I'm gonna move my head because the proof will be the stickers on the window. Because I just kind of realized window is clear and you guys don't know if it's going up and down. So yeah, safety first. We're gonna close this up. Now, let's go ahead and give her a shot. Kaboom! And all you gotta do now is just firmly press the trim back in. You just kind of have to line it up, right? Kind of line it up. Make sure the rivet on the end goes into the hole, and make sure this kind of, that's a bit of a tight fit, ain't it? There we go. Make sure it sits nicely, and then you just kind of gently push into. And everything should be just fine. Give me 1 second. As if nothing ever happened. You guys can hear my window open and closing. And that is that. Thank you for watching this short film on how to change your power window switch. This has been Shrimp. Thanks for watching. I love you.